Hello and welcome, it's Terry here. I am so excited to share a one-layer card using a little bit of ink blending and adorable web designer stamp set. So let's get started. Here is a closer look at the stamp set. It's a smaller set, but I feel that you can do a lot of different things with it. I love how the body of the spider has a little heart on it. So for this project, along with the web designer stamp, I am also using Trinity Stamp's A2 foundation circles. I really like this stencil set because it has both the negative and the positive pieces of the circle, and it comes with so many different sizes. Here you can see all of the sizes here on my work surface. I just wanted to spread it out so you can get a better idea of all the options that you have. So before I start stamping and inking, I wanted to pick a perfect circle for the size of my spider, and I decided to go with this circle here. So starting out with white colored cardstock, I placed it down to my work surface with a low tack tape. I then place a stencil over using my magnetics to hold the stencil in place. My work surface is magnetic, so the magnets will hold it in place, but if you don't have this, you can definitely just tape it down to your work surface. Now using my blending buddy, I am blending a green colored ink towards the top of the circle. For this video, I am using Melon Ice by Catherine Pooler Designs. For the second color, I am using an orange ink called Orange Peel. I am blending this towards the center of the circle, starting near the green ink, making sure to blend between the two colors to create an even blend. Then for the final color, I am going in with a darker green shade in the color Sea Glass. I blended that towards the end of the circle. To add some interest to the blending, I spritzed some water using a Nuvo mist bottle. Then going in with my microfiber cloth, I placed it over the card panel to pick up the water and create an oxidation effect. I then wiped the stencil clean and put that away. Now I placed the ink blended panel into my stamping platform. I also went ahead and positioned the spider onto my card panel. Before I inked up the image, I like to rub my hand over the stamp to condition the stamp. I then press VersaFine clear ink onto the stamp and stamp the image a few times to get a solid impression. You can also heat emboss this image if you wanted to create more texture. I didn't do that here, but I thought it would be a great idea after I finished the card. Now for the rest of the card design, you will need a ruler, a black pen, and a white gel pen. I used a ruler and drew a line straight down. I then stamped the heart from the stamp set to the end of the line. Then going in with the same pen, I added dots around the edges of the blended circle. I went in with a white gel pen and added details all around the card panel. Now I went ahead and placed the panel back into my stamping platform and stamped out the sentiment, "Let's hang out." I trimmed down the card panel to 4 inches by 5¼ inches and also trimmed the black cardstock slightly larger than the card panel. And here, I apologize, but the recording of the webbing was lost during the process of editing. But all I did was use my ruler and black pen and drew lines on the upper part of the cardstock to mimic the looks of spider webs. Make sure to attach the beginning of the lines from the spider legs. This is the creative part. You can draw lines or webs anywhere on the card panel. I don't think you can go wrong. To assemble the card, I adhered the card panel to the black cardstock and adhere that to a top folding card base. And that's it. I hope you found some inspiration and get crafty. Please don't forget to like this video and follow for future inspirational videos. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.